Hey, what's going on, guys? Boost the Whips here. Today we're going to be installing this new product which I launched on my website. These are the rear cup holder plate. This is made out of brushed aluminum. Has the signature of the G70 Born to Move, just how I have on my seat backs. So this just goes over your cup holder there. I recommend cleaning it thoroughly, all the dust, blow out all the dust, and clean it with alcohol. That's what I did. The product does come with double backing adhesive, little circles there. This is how I positioned them. So I did kind of like a 4 on the circles for the cup holders, and then 3 in the center on there. So once you have already cleaned that, you just remove the backings and just kind of place it on there, press it for a few 30 seconds, and that is it. So let's go ahead and do that. Just using your nails, you can basically take off the backing tape. And like so. So I'm gonna finish off these, and then we'll just go ahead and position, press, and finalize the video. All right, so I cleaned the area, already removed the backing from the back, and now we position this here like so. And this is just want to go ahead and center it with the circles on the inside before you start pressing. There you go, guys. So the very key point here is to make sure that you have it centered with the circles here in the center, and then you press and hold. Once that's done, you're ready to go. The brushed silver really matches nicely with the rest of the trims here, so I think it's a really nice touch. But if you guys have any questions, comments, you can go ahead and drop them below. Available on our website at boostthewhips.com. Under G70 category, you'll find this, and we also launched the front center console. So anyways, guys, until next time, Boost the Whips. I'm out. Have a very pleasant day, and God bless.